Hi, I'm Rudra Upreti, faculty in the Department of Chemical Science and Engineering, Kathmandu University, Nepal. I'm also a PhD scholar, enrolled in the same university back in 2023. I'm doing my PhD under SEER project. SEER is funded by Government of Norway and Nord University, Norway. SEER stands for Circular Economy Based Livestock Sector through collaborative education and research activities. SEER is a global collaboration between Nepal and Norway to make livestock production sustainable and environmentally friendly. We focus on the bioresources such as biowaste and underutilized aquatic biomass to reduce the environmental impact and promote circular economy. Basically, my research explores BSFL larvae in Nepal and yellow lilom larvae in Norway. These two regions are completely different in terms of geography and climatic diversity. My study focused on the growth, survival, nutritional, mineral, and heavy metal profiling when they are reared on different local diverse biomass, thereby turning them into valuable feed resources for livestock. Through research, education, and innovation, these projects empowers students and researchers to create sustainable solution for the greener futures. I'm very much delighted to be a part of this project and grateful to the funding agency, my supervisors, students, my colleagues, my family, and well wishers for their valuable support and guidance till this point in time. And I'm hopeful the support, guidance, and their wish will continue till the successful completion of this project. Thank you very much.